The Polestar 7, set to debut in 2025, is a testament to Polestar's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and performance. As an all-electric luxury SUV, it embodies cutting-edge technology and eco-conscious design while delivering an exhilarating driving experience. The Polestar 7 builds on the brand's Scandinavian heritage, combining minimalist aesthetics with advanced engineering. It offers a seamless fusion of style and function, appealing to environmentally conscious drivers who refuse to compromise on performance or luxury. Under the hood, the Polestar 7 features a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional power and agility. With an estimated output of 500 horsepower, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, rivaling many high-performance vehicles. The SUV's range is equally impressive, boasting up to 400 miles on a single charge, thanks to its next-generation battery technology. Rapid charging capabilities enable it to replenish 80% of its battery in just 30 minutes, ensuring convenience for long journeys. The Polestar 7's interior reflects the brand's dedication to sustainable luxury. The cabin is crafted from eco-friendly materials, including recycled fabrics, vegan leather, and sustainably sourced wood. Its spacious layout ensures ample room for passengers and cargo, making it ideal for families or adventurers. Advanced climate control systems and ergonomic seating further enhance comfort, while a panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. Technology is at the forefront of the Polestar 7's appeal. The SUV features a state-of-the-art infotainment system powered by Google's Android Automotive OS. A large central touchscreen and voice recognition allows seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, provide a safer driving experience, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking. Over-the-air updates ensure that the vehicle stays at the cutting edge of technology throughout its lifespan. Polestar's commitment to sustainability extends beyond the vehicle itself. The manufacturing process for the Polestar 7 emphasizes carbon neutrality, utilizing renewable energy and innovative production methods to minimize environmental impact. The company also promotes circularity by designing components that can be reused or recycled, aligning with its goal to create